Hi, this week at Carroll Lutheran Village we are going to be running an Asian chicken and edamame stir fry. So I have all our ingredients that we are going to put in the stir fry, and we've got some sliced chicken as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your pan hot, and then we're going to put a little bit of oil in there, and we're going to cook our chicken first. So we're going to put our strips of chicken in there, and we're going to cook that. This is a really quick dish to prepare. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's nice for if you have to do a quick meal. You can prep all your ingredients and have them ready and just throw it on your pan on the stove. And we're going to cook that chicken. I did sliced chicken today, but you can chop this up and you can use breast or thigh, your choice. So we're going to cook that until it's done inside. And then we also have some chopped garlic here. We've got some ginger as well, and we've got some edamame, which are soybeans, which are really good in a stir fry. They hold their color nice and they get real crunchy. So we want to cook our chicken first because that takes the longest. So it looks like our chicken's getting brown there. Browning up real good. So then we're going to add some peppers. We've got some yellow peppers and some red peppers. We're going to put that in there as well, leaving our chicken in the pan. We've got some carrots. Put some carrots in there. Our edamame, of course, our soybean. Looks so pretty now. We're just going to stir that up a little bit. We've also got some green beans here. You can cut these, but I just like to break them and put them in there. We're going to give that a stir. Now at this point it looks like it needs just a tad bit more oil, so we're going to put a tiny bit of oil on there. We're going to add some of our chopped garlic, just a little bit, you don't need a lot. Stir that up and just let that cook for a few minutes. Looks really colorful. It's a really fast dish to make. So once your vegetables are al dente, which means nice and crisp but still cooked, then we're going to start to add some of our liquid ingredients. So we've got a little bit of chicken broth. We're going to put that in just to deglaze the pan. We've also got some fresh squeezed lemon. Put that in there as well. Smells delicious already. I've got some ginger. We're going to add that, and I like to add that pretty much close to the end of cooking. Smells great. And we're going to do some chopped green onion as well. And I've got some teriyaki sauce. We're going to pour that in our pan there. Just a little bit to coat the veggies and the chicken. Doesn't that look great? Yeah. Stir that up. You're just going to let that cook for a minute just to bring the sauce and the veggies together. We're going to turn it off and then we're going to plate it. So now we've cooked our chicken and our vegetables in our saute pan or our wok, and we're going to plate it. What I have here is some steamed rice. You can use white rice. You can also serve this on an Asian noodle if you would like. It's great on both. So we've got our steamed white rice. We're just going to put that down on our plate there. Looks great. And then our chicken and our vegetables is going to go right on the top of that rice. It smells amazing. And then I like to take a little bit of sesame seed, just a little bit of crunch, put that on there, and fresh chopped cilantro. And there you have it, our special dish for this week.